Welcome back to another video. Today, guys, I'm going to show you some tips to make your computer go fast and boost its performance to the next level. If you want more PC tips like these, and if this video gets 3 likes, I'll be doing a booster, 2 boosters actually, that will lower your input lag and higher your FPS performance by a lot. And let's get started now. So the first thing, hold Windows and then press on R. It will open up a Run tab and put in Temp. Press on Enter and delete everything that's here. When you delete everything, there will be like a check mark right here, and click on Skip. Right? For me, because I use a premium version of an app, it deletes every single thing for me on Temp and Perfetch. So click on Windows R again and put in %temp%. Press on Enter and do Control A and delete. This will show up and click on this check mark and press on Skip. Wait for it and cut. Then do the same thing, put in Perfetch and press on OK and delete everything here. Because I use the premium version, it doesn't come for me. And when you're done that, go to the recycling bin and delete everything that's here. And when you do that, go to performance, put in performance, right? And this will come up. It'll say adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it, and here, click on adjust for best performance. And then you can even change the advanced change here for your RAM, but I'll prefer to not, because if you mess up, your computer can actually break. So I prefer you not to do anything there. And then next step is to go to Control Panel. When you're in Control Panel, click on System and Security and go down to Power Options. Sorry, I'm going really fast, but you can pause. And here there might be a new additional plans right here. If there isn't, you can click on create a power plan. Click on high performance, name your power plan whatever you want. Click on next and click on create. I already have a power plan, so I will not. And then it will come up on the screen and click on change plan settings for that power plan. When you're here, click on change advanced power settings. Here, these 2 steps are only for laptop. I don't know if they work for computer, but you can check it out as well. First, click on PCI Express. When you're here, click on Link State Power Management and turn both of them to off if it isn't yet. Next is go to Processor Power Management, and there'll be 4 new ones, and click on Maximum Processor State. Click on this and put this to 99%. For you, it should be 100 because we're on best performance, but put it to 99 so your computer can cool down and run faster. 100% just makes your computer run more slower. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Then click on Save Changes and then cut out. So those are all of the steps that I'll teach you this day. But if you want to know the 2 boosters for the next video, you have to hit 3 likes for it. I know that's a big amount, but I think we can do it. If we can, I'll show you the 2 boosters that will lower your input lag and higher your performance. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.